What's up everyone, my name's Hanabee and you're watching Tiny Techniques at Rediscover Center. In another video, which you can find right here, we're showing you how to use a hot glue gun. Now that you know how to use a hot glue gun safely, let's talk about how much hot glue gun you should use in a creative project. At Rediscover Center, the general rule of thumb for the amount of hot glue we use is dependent on the size of our materials. For small items with a lot of surface area, we use a small amount of hot glue. By surface area, we're talking about how much surface the item has for us to touch or hold onto. For smaller items with not much surface area, they tend to require a larger amount of hot glue. Sometimes the glue will actually cover the material. In this case, it's also useful to keep pliers around and use them to hold these tiny materials so that you don't have to worry about the hot glue getting stuck to your gloves. Bigger and heavier items will also require a larger amount of glue so that the glue will be strong enough to hold them together. When we use the hot glue gun, hopefully with gloves, we have to squirt quickly and put the items together right away. And remember, the larger the clump of glue is, the longer it takes to dry. Count to 60 before you even try to touch it with bare hands. Using these tiny techniques, I made a diorama of outer space with stars, rocket ships, and super cool planets straight out of my imagination. I got so excited, I actually made two. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you liked this video, please share this with your fellow makers and tinkerers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit rediscovercenter.org to learn more about our program.